Hello everyone, this is Hoda Ganji. In the last video, we created some doors. In this video, I'm gonna create a couple of handles for the doors just to show you how some of these other commands around here work. So how about I go to the front view? I'm gonna start by just a single doorknob here. And you remember that we created a group here already. So first I want to start by using tape measure or T to locate where the handle would go. So if I hover the mouse here, see the location is mentioned there. Around here, I want to go with 0.95, right? And then I want to go 10 centimeters above and bottom it. So this is roughly where the doorknob is gonna be. So then I'm gonna consider from here to here is about 0.1. How about I go 3 centimeters here and then 5 centimeters here and then 0.2 over there. And now I want to draw two lines and I want to go with 2-point arc here and 2-point arc here at the bottom. This is actually going to be the plate to which the doorknob will be attached. I want to use push or P, maybe it's only 1 centimeter, 0.01, and the actual doorknob will be on top of it. Feel free to add more details, the keyhole and everything. I'm gonna go back to front view. It's better like this. And I want to consider a center point around here. So how about I go with T, tape measure, and if I hover the mouse around here, this is giving me the center location. I also want to just draw one line or L around here so we know that this is actually the center, right? Now, next thing I'm going to do is that I want to use tape measure T, and I want to draw another reference line, but notice that it's in the green axis. What is the green axis here? It's the y-axis as we talked about before. So I'm going to consider, let's say, about 8 centimeters, 0.08 around here, right? So how about I draw one line or L? Shortcut is L, the actual icon is this one, and I'm going to draw from here to this line, right? And maybe I can draw like 0.2 from here. So this is going to be the door handle somewhere around here. I can also draw one arc here. How about I go with 3-point arc or maybe 2-point arc, one around here, one around here, and like this. Then I can delete the extra parts. So this is gonna be the profile of the handle. Now let me also draw a circle, and maybe it's gonna be 0.01. And what I need to do is something like a sweep, right? So this circle is gonna be extruded or swept along these three lines. So I wanna click on the first line, hold Control, the second. If I zoom in, it seems that one additional line is created here. I wanna get rid of that. Also around here. There we go. Now I want to click on the first one, hold Control, select the arc, and then click on the last line. Now instead of sweep, actually SketchUp has something called follow me. So I selected the path. Now I need to hit follow me and then select the face. And actually the face is both of these, so I actually need to delete this line. So it's going to allow me to select the whole circle. We also don't need this. You can also delete the rest of the reference lines. There we go. So I'm going to select these three parts again, which is called path. Follow me and then click on the face once, and it's going to create a sweep. And now I just want to hide the door for a second maybe. If I draw a selection window from left to right, it's only gonna select the new items. I want to create a group, make group, materials. I just want to assign some color to that, a gold color. I want to unhide the door, and I want to make a group out of the handle and the door. So it's gonna be make group. So this one is good. For this other door, I'm gonna make a different handle. How about I go to front view again? Let's go with tape measure T. From here to here, I'm gonna go with 1 meter. And let's see, from here to here we have 0.17, 0.8 is good. And I want to just draw a circle for the plate on the back, maybe something like this. And this surface, I want to push it by 0.01, right? Let's say maybe you have another circle here, another plate for the keyhole, so you can go with another circle, and maybe this is gonna be 0.03, right? And feel free to create a keyhole if you want, like you can go with tape measure. You want to go with 0.005 on this side and 0.005 on that side, 0.005. I also want to mark here as 0.01, right? So around here, let me draw this too. I can draw one line, let's say it's 0.02, and I want to draw another line which is also 0.02, and maybe I can go with one of these arcs. Now you see the snap here is a little bit hard to work with, so I want to go to my window, model info, and I want to change the snapping instead of 0.01 to maybe 0.005. So instead of 1 centimeter is 5 millimeters. So hit enter. Let's see if it's gonna, yeah, it makes the snapping a little bit easier now. So when you work with more delicate objects, feel free to go to your model info under units, make the snapping a little bit smaller. So next I wanna select this surface, and I wanna push it by 0.01, 1 centimeter, and I want to delete that surface on the back. Feel free to delete these extra lines here. And now let's create the actual doorknob. I need to find the center of this circle. How about I go with a tape measure T, draw one line here, and let me see if I can draw another one here, and I can go with a circle. So this is gonna be the face. Let's say it's 0.01 again, and I need to select this tape measure and move this line along the y-axis again. Let's say I want to go with 7 centimeters, right? And I want to draw one line here, right? So you see when it's green, it means that it's perpendicular and it's exactly on the y-axis, right? Now on this other side, I want to do something else. I want to, first I want to create one line here, and then I want to use the 2-point arc in here, and I want to delete this part and this one. Now on this side I want to create another arc. Now I want to go with another 2-point arc. Maybe I'll go with 0.08, 8 centimeters, and if you hit the arrow key, the top arrow key, it moves in this direction, in the actually Z direction. So maybe I want to have a little bit of a curve around here. So this is good. I can assign a number, let's say 0.01. I want to go with 0.07 maybe. And I want to move this down. You can hit the down arrow key, and maybe this is 0.01. So this time the handle is a little bit more flexible, more curved. And now we just need to select these pieces. This is going to be the path. When the path is selected, click on follow me and select the face. Right? So it creates the handle around that, and we can delete the extra elements here. I want to draw a window from left to right and create a group out of these objects. You see the door items were not selected because they were created as a group before. And I want to assign this gold material or gold color. Then I can select the two groups, the door and the handle, and make a group again. Whenever you want to edit the door or the handle, you need to double click. So it's gonna open the groups, and then you can start editing. So in this video, you learned how to create door handles using the follow me option.